FIFA World Cup explainer videos are exploding on YouTube right now, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views and helping brand new channels grow fast. Some creators have gained thousands of subscribers in just a few weeks by posting simple FIFA World Cup content. But here's the crazy part. Most people think these videos take hours to make, but that is not true. I just created a professional FIFA World Cup explainer video with AI in less than 5 minutes.
48 teams, one tournament. And getting there is somehow more complicated than most people realize. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is the biggest sporting event in human history, bigger than it's ever been. And for the first time ever, 48 nations will get to show up. That's 16 more than before, which sounds like it makes things easier. In some ways, it does. In other ways, it creates a qualification system so layered, so regional, so full of edge cases that even hardcore football fans couldn't fully explain it without Googling. So let's fix that. Here's every single way a team can reach the 2026 World Cup, broken down simply, quickly, and without putting you to sleep.
In this step-by-step beginner guide, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos from scratch using AI for free. To get started, open the master prompt linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find tools I use, and several prompts designed to streamline the entire content creation process. Begin by copying the video discovery prompt and pasting it into ChatGPT. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 engaging FIFA World Cup video ideas for you to choose from. Take a moment to review the options and select the one that stands out the most. For this tutorial, I'm going with the third idea. Next, copy the script creation prompt and open Claude AI. Paste the prompt into Claude, then take the video idea you selected and place it inside the designated topic section. After you submit it, Claude will generate a complete, ready-to-use explainer script within seconds. No manual writing required. Once your script is ready, it's time to create the visuals. Copy the image prompt from the master document and paste it into Claude AI. Then take the full script that Claude generated and paste it into the designated script section within the image prompt. Hit enter, and Claude will instantly create the first 5 image prompts based on your scenes. Need more scenes? Simply type 5 more, and Claude will continue generating additional image prompts for the remaining parts of your script. You can keep repeating this process until every scene in your video has a corresponding image prompt ready to go. At this point, all the heavy lifting is done. Your script is complete, and all your image prompts are prepared. Now let's bring those visuals to life. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Switch to the image generation section, select your preferred image model, adjust any settings you'd like, then paste in the prompt and generate the image. Within a few seconds, your first scene will be ready. Choose the image you like best, click the 3-dot menu, and select Add to Prompt. Then copy the second image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Continue repeating this process for all the remaining image prompts until every scene has been generated. For this demonstration, I've created 6 images so you can see exactly how the workflow comes together. Now, download all the images. With the visuals complete, it's time to generate the voiceover. Copy your entire script. For this example, I'm only copying a small portion so I can quickly demonstrate the process. Paste the script into your favorite text-to-speech platform, such as 11 Labs, and generate the narration. In just a few moments, you'll have a professional voiceover ready for your video. Download it. Now import all of your generated images and the voiceover into your preferred video editor. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Then, arrange your images so they appear at the appropriate moments throughout the narration. This ensures every visual matches the story being told, and keeps viewers engaged from beginning to end. To make the video feel more cinematic and polished, add the vignette effect in CapCut. It's a simple addition, but it dramatically improves the overall presentation and gives the video a much more professional appearance. Once everything looks good, export your project. And that's it. Your FIFA World Cup explainer video is now complete and ready to be uploaded to YouTube. If you'd like to use the exact prompts shown in this tutorial, you'll find the complete master prompt linked in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials and leave a like on the video. It really helps the channel grow.